Good morning, sixth graders. Happy Thursday. Okay, so we have been talking about naturally occurring phenomenons in class, right? And so I appreciated a lot of your responses to yesterday's question as to what you think a natural phenomenon is. So today I thought I would share with you my definition. So in my mind, a naturally occurring phenomenon is anything that happens without humans causing it. Okay, so anything. So today, when you check in for attendance, I'm going to be asking you to give me some examples to see if you can, you know, shed some light on this. And I want you to think bigger than the obvious answers. Now, today's quote comes from Toni Morrison. She lived from 1931 to 2019, and she won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1993. One of our mentor sentences that we did earlier this year, I believe, was from one of her books, Pieces of Me. Anyway, so she says, if there is a book that you want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. And I love this quote because I completely believe it. Although I am not a published author yet, I hope one day to also be a published author myself. So, and you guys have some amazing writers' voices. So I would love to see that. I would be so proud. Okay, today we have our DIS friends joining us on our Zoom and our Meet at 10 and 1:30. So I hope to see as many of you log in as possible. I hope that you have been writing down your questions for them like I've asked you to. And when we are online with them, I'm going to be watching to see that we are really asking purposeful, meaningful questions and that we are listening to each other's questions. So if someone asks a question that you also had written down, we do not ask it again unless you have some kind of a clarification point. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, I hope to see you then. Happy Thursday.